So in the yesterday's demo session, we discussed about data types. What is mean by data type? How we are going to define this data type? And primitive means what? Object means what? How we can able to convert primitives into objects? For that, there is one concept called auto boxing, and how we can able to do the reverse process, object to primitive. For that, auto unboxing is there. Okay. And we started discussing about primitive data types. There are four top level primitive data types are there: integers, real values, characters, boolean. Then again, based on the space and time, we have subdivisions are there. Integers are again classified into byte, short, int, long. Real values are classified into float and double. Character, there is no classification, only char. And boolean, directly boolean. Okay, so in total we have 8 primitive data types are there in Java. Next, coming to these in detail explanations, we have seen for every data type, what is the group name, what is a subdivision, keyword, size of the data type, range, default value, wrapper class. For byte, yesterday we explored. So for what is a group for this byte data type? Integers. Subdivision is nothing but a byte. Which keyword we are using to represent byte? BYTE, byte, all in lowercase letters. The size of the data type is 1 byte, or we can say 8 bits. 1 byte, or we can say 8 bits. Next, what is the range of this data type? Minus 128 to plus 127 is the range. What is the default value? 0 is the default value. What is a wrapper class name? Byte. Whatever keyword name is there, same name we have to take, but it is starting from big. Like that we have. This is nothing but what we discussed about byte data type. And we have seen what are the allowed values, which values are not allowed. Anyway, in MCQs, we will discuss in detail about that. So after this byte, what is the next data type that we are supposed to discuss is nothing but short data type. But before moving to the short data type, any questions up to this, whatever we revised? Please confirm.
No, sir.
No
Everyone,
questions, sir.
please confirm. Right. So coming to short, and still we have 7 more data types are there. Let me give these titles: short data type, next and after that int data type, next long. So next we have float data type is there. Next we have double double data type is there. So next we have character data type is there. And at last we have Boolean data type is there. Let me cover all these data types properties now. Okay. Let us see one by one. Sir, coming to this short, what is the group name? It comes under integers only, sir. It comes under integers only. So what is the subdivision? It comes under short integer. What is a keyword name? Keyword name is a short. What is a size? Size is nothing but byte is going to occupy 1 byte. Here it will occupy 2 bytes. 2 bytes means how many bits? Sir, 8 plus 8, 16 bits. It is going to occupy 16 bits. What is the range? Yesterday, I told very clearly, there is one program. So by using which we can able to find out the range. So I will show you how to find out the range. So now I'm going to take system.out.println of byte dot min underscore value to print minimum value of byte, max underscore value to print maximum value of byte. How I compiled the program? Java C test.java. Anyway, today we are going to discuss about this. Then Java space test, you can see we got minus 128, 127. Yesterday we have seen. But now I want for short. Then what we need to do? In the place of byte, try to take short. That's all. If you execute this program, now you can see minus 32,768 is the minimum value. Minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Have you observed? Plus 32,767 is the maximum. In between this, it is greater than the range of byte, right? Yes. So if you want to store the data in between these, then we have to go for which data type? Short data type. Sir, what is the default value that it is going to accommodate? Okay, it is going to accommodate 0. What is the default value? 0. What is a wrapper class name? Just now we have seen short is the wrapper class name. Okay, any questions on this short data type? Please confirm.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear, right, everyone?
Mm-hmm.
So now same kind of thing I'm going for integers. Sir, integer. It is also integers group only. Subdivision name is int int. Keyword is also int. Size double, sir. That is 4 bytes. 4 bytes means what? 32 bits it is going to occupy. What about range? Sir, we have to take, don't take int. We have to take the complete form. This is the difference. Complete form we need to take. Now see a big number you are going to get. Have you observed? Minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48. This is nothing but what? Minimum value. Sir, what is the maximum value? This is the maximum value. In between this, if you want to store any value, better to go for integer. Sir, what is the default value? It is also integer family, right? 0 is the default value. What is a wrapper class name? It is not int. Please make sure it is integer. Like this we need to take. Sir, what about long integer? It is also comes under integers category. Subdivision name is long. Keyword name is also long. So size is nothing but what? 8 bytes. 8 bytes. That means how many bits it is going to occupy? 64 bits. What is the range? Again, we need to calculate. For long, wrapper class name is long. L starts with capital. Now see. Again, a big number we got. This is nothing but what? Minimum value what we have. And what is the maximum value? This one is the maximum value. Sir, what is the default value? Since it is also integers, so it is going to take 0 as the default value. Sir, what about the wrapper class name? Just now we have seen long. So what is the difference between these four? Only with respect to memory size. And you can observe that in the range. What kind of values it can able to accommodate, clearly it is showing. I hope everyone got very clear clarity about these four categories. Any questions from your side, friends? Please confirm.
To get the range value for int and long, we have used the wrapper class with min and max value. Do we do the same for the short and byte as well? Or they
Yes,
can
that's what.
work?
No, no,
Okay.
no. Same formula is same, ma'am. Min value is the fixed constant. Max
Yeah.
value is the fixed constant.
Yeah.
Which minimum value you need, that wrapper class name you need to take here.
Okay. So for
If
short
it
and
is,
byte, we
if it
the
is byte, we have to take byte.
yeah, and if it is
If it
short,
is
then
short, short.
yeah,
If it is
capital.
int, then integer.
Yeah,
If it
thank
is
you.
long, then long. Got it?
Yeah, thank you.
Guys, please confirm. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Clear.
Right. Now, what is the next one? Float. For float also, almost cinema is the same, but category is different. What is a group name? It comes under real values. What is a subdivision? Float. What is a keyword? Float. What is a size? Size is nothing but 4 bytes. 4 bytes means what? How many bits, sir? 32, correct? 32 bits. What is the range? Sir, for this also, no worries. You can take float dot minimum, float dot maximum. Now have a look once. Sir, 1.4 e to the power minus 45. These are floating point representations. Okay, don't worry. So I will explain in detail about this in the literals topic. There is one special topic is there called literals. There I will explain how we are going to represent these floating point values and all. This is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. Okay, sir, e power 38 means e value is a 10. 10 to the power 38. That means 38 zeros will come here. That much big number it is. Okay, what is a default value? Since it is floating point, 0 0.0. If it is integer, only 0. What is a wrapper class name? Float. Let me talk about double, then we will go for doubts. It is also real values category. It is a double. So keyword name is also double. It will occupy 8 bytes. 8 bytes means 64 bits it will take. Okay. Next, what is the range? We have to write the program for that. Double dot min value, double dot max value. Now see what will happen. Sir, 4.9 e to the power minus 349, a big number, to 1.7 something like e to the power 307. That much big number. Default value as usual 0 0.0. What is the wrapper class name for this? So double is the wrapper class name. Like that we have. I hope everyone understood float and double classification also. If you are having any queries, please let me know. Clear,
What kind
everyone?
what kind of questions do we get for the certification in data types? Do we need to remember all these ranges?
No, ranges is not required, but sizes is mandatory.
Okay, thank
So
you.
rather than these questions, they will put more questions on typecasting. There is one topic immediately we will start on Monday or Tuesday. Typecasting. Typecasting means how you can convert one type of data into another. There will be a loss, there may not be loss. So those kind of questions you may get. But less weightage is for data types. Okay. Clear, guys,
Thank you.
everyone? Please confirm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ah. What is the next type? Character. It comes under characters. Subdivision is char. Keyword name is also char. What is the size? Tell me what is the size of character. Can anyone guess?
So I think it's 2 bytes.
2 bytes or 1 byte?
Character 1 bytes. And 1 byte.
So in C, C++, character size is 1 byte. Why? Because it support ASCII code. But whereas coming to Java, since it provides support for all the characters present in the universe, it requires more space. It is nothing but how many bytes it is going to occupy? 2 bytes, 2 bytes. I will show you in
16
the
bytes.
literals how it is going to work. Okay. Sir, what about range? What about range? See, range and all, you can't talk here. Why? Because minimum character, maximum character, such type of terminology is not there. But anyway, for your understanding purpose, so 2 bytes means, do you remember somewhere we covered 2 bytes size? Which data type? Have you observed? Short. What
Uh,
is the minimum value that we got? 32,768 plus 32,767. These are the ranges. Same range will be there for character also. Am I right, friends? Correct.
you know,
But
it cannot be changed.
so here it is positive value. Here it is negative value. Here it is 0. For integers, both negative possibility is there, positive possibility is there. But for characters, only positive, there won't be negative. That's why this extra negative space also is merged here. So if you add these two, 7 plus 7, 14, 1 is a 15. So 15, 1, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13, 3, and then 1. 14 plus 1, 15, 5, and then 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So 6, 3 plus 3, 6. Have you observed? What is the range here? 0 to 65,535 is the range. Sir, everyone got why this range came here? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if anyone is asking what is the range of character, okay, please make sure negative ranges won't be there. Why? Because it is Unicode values. The range of Unicode is nothing but what? 0 to 65,535. If you are having C language knowledge, you heard about one thing. C language, how much size is there for character? 1 byte. 1 byte means what? Minus 128 to plus 127. If you add 14, 15, 5 plus 1, 4, 5, and then 2. Have you
255.
remembered? 255, 0 to 255 ASCII code characters are there. This is ASCII. This is Unicode. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
I will talk in detail about this terminology in literals concept. Okay. So what is the default value? There is no default value. Empty character. In C language and all, we will use the word called null character. So empty character is considered as what? Default value. So what is a wrapper class name for this? Sir, wrapper class name is character. Sir, any questions on char data type?
So one question, like in C, the character data type, it has 1 byte, but
Hmm.
in Java, it has 2 bytes.
Hmm.
So is it the same as string or is it different, sir?
No,
Like
no, no.
character,
Characters are
character.
different. See, I told here it is supporting ASCII code in C and C++.
Mhm.
So only keyboard symbols will be there. But Unicode keyboard symbols will be there. At the same time, the alphabets which are used in other languages like Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, in worldwide every language, alphabets will be there.
Okay.
I
So
will show
character
you.
is different from character arrays, right, sir?
No, so
Charac-
both are same only. Group of
um,
characters is called character array. That is a string. See, A is the
okay.
character, right?
Yes, sir.
B is the character, right? C is the character. If you combine these three, then it will become a string.
Mhm.
So
Group
10
of
is the
characters, sir.
number, 20 is the number, 30 is the number. If you group, what will happen? It will become an array. Got it?
Yes. Okay.
Same thing. Group, that is different story. We have arrays concept is there, right? There we will talk about that. Still any more questions on character data type?
No.
Right. Coming to the last one, Boolean. Sir, what is this Boolean? So group name is nothing but Boolean. Subdivision name is also Boolean. Keyword name is also Boolean. Sir, size. Sorry, size is not applicable. What is the range? Range is also not applicable, but allowed values. But allowed values are true and false. What is the default value? False.
False.
What is the wrapper class name? Boolean. Sir, why size is not applicable? If you remembered, the minimum size which we have taken in Java is 1 byte. 1 byte means what? 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But if you want to store Boolean, only 1 bit is sufficient. So in this bit, if 0 is there, then it is false. If 1 is there, it is true. Something like switch on or on, off. That's all. It won't accommodate multiple values. But if you take a byte, short, or something like that, compulsory numbers must be required. A set of values we need to accommodate. But here, only 1 bit is sufficient. For 1 bit, creating memory is meaningless. That's why Java is going to provide support for these bits from RAM directly. Okay, some registers will be there internally. They will provide support for that. That's why, so internally, memory won't be allocated for this. This is called as what? Size is not applicable. Even range is also not there. Why? Because only two values. In that, how you can decide the range? So either true or false. That's all. So everyone got the point? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's all. These are nothing but data types. But on these data types completion, we have so many summary points to be covered. So before moving to the summary, just a small topic. We have signed and unsigned data types. So a short note on this: signed data type. Signed data type means what? Which can allow both positive and negative. Unsigned means what? Which is going to allow only positive, no negative. So which are signed data type? With the knowledge whatever you have, can anyone tell me which are signed from these 8?
But except
String.
string, everything is signed.
Sir, string is not at all participating in this because string is an object, not primitive.
Yeah.
Okay, character. Except
Hmm.
character.
So byte is a string, byte is assigned, short is assigned,
Short,
int,
yeah,
long. Okay.
long,
Then
Float.
float is also signed.
float,
Double.
double.
So double is also signed. Okay. Character is not signed, right? Boolean is also not signed.
Yes,
Correct?
Yeah.
Clear?
yes, sir.
So which are unsigned? Can I
Character.
say
Boolean
all
and
these
character.
things? Can I say all these things in addition to that character and Boolean? Correct?
Yeah. They could be unsigned if they are
Yes.
positives. Yeah.
Got it, everyone?
And the wrapper classes can be signed.
Oh, that is object. That is different.
Ah,
Same
okay.
terminology. Same terminology.
Yeah.
If long is assigned, automatically its wrapper class is also signed.
Yeah.
Properties. Right. So with one small note, I will conclude. First point, I need to talk about default values. For integers, what is the default value, sir? 0, correct?
0.
For
Yes.
real values, what is the default value? 0.0. For characters, which is the default value? Empty. For Boolean, which is the default value?
False.
False. Note number 2. This is default values. Default values. Now the next note is discussing about default data types. Default data types. See, in integer, how many divisions are there? In integer, how many subdivisions are there?
4, I guess, sir. Byte, short,
4.
and long.
4. Correct. Byte, short, int, long. Now, just I have given one number called 10. Tell me, it is what type among those 4?
Byte.
This must be byte.
But in short also 10 is there, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
In int also 10 is there. In long also 10 is there. Am I right?
Yeah.
yes, sir.
So that's why if you declare explicitly, then there is no problem. It is byte. Suppose if you are not declaring, if somewhere I have seen 10, then
Then
what
it's
will happen?
integer.
So
Int.
in such a cases, among those 4, you need to give one default value, which is the common thing that we are using. Int is the default. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Now, real values. So we have float and double, which is default.
Float, sir.
Double.
Double.
Accurate values are very, very important. That's why double is the default. Character.
Okay.
So there is only one character. So that's why char is the default. Boolean is the default. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why yesterday I covered one example. Suppose if I'm taking byte b is equal to 100, is it valid or invalid?
Valid, sir.
Valid. If I am taking byte B is equal to 50 plus 50, is it valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid. Why? Because here we have only 100. We are assigning to byte. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So we are declaring manually it is a byte. In this case, is 50 is byte. No, right? Default is what? Integer. So 50 is integer. 50 is integer. Whatever result it is giving, that value we are giving to byte. Are you understanding the point?
Yes, sir.
So in such a case, if 50 is integer, 50 is integer, addition will become what type? Integer only, right?
Mm.
So that's why this statement is invalid. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, sir, please confirm everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Sir, please confirm everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. So this is nothing but about the story of data types. Everyone clear with this data types topic, right? No need to go in detail into this. So with this data type story, we finished. Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Anyway, let me start our introduction part like Java history and all. I started exploring these data types and I will copy paste this at the ending because to map the syllabus. Anyway, in the demos itself, we finished data types. Tomorrow, I'm going to start typecasting or literals, something like that. Okay. Now, coming to this introduction part. So, what topics we are going to cover as a part of this introduction? Sir, it's a very simple thing. Before this only, I will type that one. First, let me talk about Java history. Sir, somewhat theoretical part. Java history. When this Java is introduced, who developed this Java, all these things we will discuss for few minutes. See, initially there is one main company is there with name Sun Microsystems. Okay, so the person who developed Java, even if I am developing my own programming language, directly I can't release to the world. Okay, we need to approach some consultant team will be there, or an organization will be there, or community will be there. We have to approach them. They need to give more test cases. So in all aspects, it should be cleared. Then only they will certify. For that, some sponsorship must be required. For Java, initially, Sun Microsystem is the vendor, official partner. Okay. And initially, it is not Java, it is OAK programming language. OAK programming language. OAK means it is a famous tree name. So still we are using these OAK trees, so which represent a strength. So this tree name they kept as a language name and they released it at very beginning. But unfortunately, they didn't accept this OAK tree name because it is very popular tree. That's why they asked to change this OAK. Immediately they shifted to Java programming language. Sir, this Java means what? It is a coffee seed name. It is a coffee seed name. So when they are developing this particular software in that area, these coffee seeds are very famous. That's why simply they selected this, what you can call this name as this coffee seed name. And even if you observe, the logo of Java is coffee cup symbol with a saucer. That is a small story behind how the name Java came. Sir, who implemented, who introduced this? James Gosling. James Gosling and a team, around some 4 to 5 members are there. So they released the first version of Java into the market in on 23rd January 1996. The first version name is JDK 1.0 version. Okay, JDK means Java Development Kit. Slowly, I will explain about all these terminologies. Don't worry at all. This is nothing but founder of Java, how the name Java came, who is the official sponsor of Java. So Sun Microsystems is the official sponsor for Java. But later, now this Sun Microsystems hand over all the Java rights to Oracle Corporation. Oracle company. Now, Oracle is handling the complete Java, sir. If you are getting any release updates or any new versions, okay, or any bugs or any issues, we need to contact Oracle official website. In the Oracle official website, they have given the complete Java blogs. This is nothing but just a small story about Java. Okay, how to download, where we need to download that part and all I will explain. Okay, and in the market this Java is available in different editions. There are 3 editions are there in Java. What is the first edition, which is very popular? Now we are learning this, which is nothing but what? Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. What is the second one? Sir, Java Enterprise Edition. We have Java Enterprise Edition is also there. What is the third one? So Java Micro Edition. So total how many editions are there for Java? There are 3 editions are there. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Micro Edition. When we will go for these versions, I mean, when we will go for these editions, one by one I will explain. Up to this, if you are having any queries, please let me know.
No, sir.
So, like, if I use download Java, say 18, so that will be Java Standard Edition.
Yes, every Java which you are downloading from the internet is always a standard edition only.
And if the organization is using Java, then is it the Java Enterprise Edition?
No, not like that. For enterprise edition, we need some other tools also. Not only based on core Java, it needs some extra another plugins also.
In which cases
Okay,
we
so
use Java Enterprise Editions?
that's what we mean. To develop web applications, we need some web server, Tomcat server like that we will use.
Right.
So if I want to develop any web application, we will take the help of multiple tools, right? Like I need to define a HTML page. Okay. If it is required the data from database, we will connect either with Oracle or MySQL, and we will write the business logic in Java. All these languages together should mix, correct? And we need to run that from multiple systems. So we need a server. All these together will run. In such cases, that application or that concept is called as enterprise edition. Got it?
Yeah. And sometimes, like when you use different kind of cloud technologies, say for example AWS, so they have their
It also,
own Pareto
yes,
kind of version.
yes.
So that's again Java Standard Edition plus some.
No. All see, Java standard edition means only basics. It won't deals with servers.
Right.
So whatever syllabus I told, whatever basic knowledge that we are gaining from the Java, that is called as a standard edition. Once if you
Right.
complete standard edition, then we have to go for enterprise edition. Enterprise edition is a different tool
Okay.
where we will get some advanced Java concepts to communicate with the server related configurations, n number of things will come. In
Right.
that only we have to use Java. Okay, so basic is Java mandatory.
Yeah.
I think it is making sense.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't worry, I will elaborate for 1 or 2 minutes. You will get at least some idea.
Mhm.
So coming to the first one, Java Standard Edition. Sir, which things will comes under this Standard Edition? Just a few points I want to address here. The first point is it is also called as J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition. This is the official name which they have given. So it will talk only about fundamentals. This is the clear point. Whenever we are talking about completely fundamentals, it called as a standard edition. In our terminology, we will use the word called core Java, core Java. So by using this, we can develop standalone applications. Sir, standalone applications in the sense what? The application which you are going to develop in your system will run only in your system. Sir, I developed one application here. No problem. You can write Java program, you can execute and you can display the result in your mission. If you want, you can store in your mission. So n number of activities you can perform, but only in your mission. You can't send this application to the outside because you developed it is a core Java, basic thing. Okay. Next, best example for this, I can say, even if you want, without without client server architecture, client server technology won't be there. And what type of examples I can give for this is, if you say calculator application, so if you take paint application, so if I want to develop something like factorial application, these kind of small applications, someone in the demo asked a question, can you please explain J frames or J unit, okay, or swings, something like that. Yes, we can do that. But by using that, we can prepare one Java application in a GUI manner where it will ask for a number. And after typing the number, if you click OK, this application is going to calculate factorial and it will display. But this application will run only in your mission. That is a problem. So such type of beautiful application, if you develop and if it is running only in your mission, then meaningless. But for learning basics, it is okay. Once if you want to distribute this application, we need to go for enterprise editions. So everyone clear with this? Please confirm.
Can
Yes,
I
sir.
ask something, please?
Yeah,
So,
please.
if I'm writing just a simple program to calculate the factorial,
Mm,
uh, and it's just on my machine, so that's
mm,
fine. But
mm.
I can, if I want to, I can run my small program in any of the cloud technology as well.
No, no. So if you are writing a Java program in your laptop, compulsory you have to execute only in your laptop.
And once I have the jar created, then I can
No,
deploy
that
it
is
to.
different. That is different. That is
Okay.
different. Okay, that is
Okay.
different case.
Okay.
Even if I'm running a Java program, I will get a bytecode. If I give that bytecode to you, you can run in your mission also. That is different
Yeah.
story. But I'm
Okay.
seeing from the top level. So if you are developing one full-fledged application, you
Mhm.
can't distribute this application across the network. See, for example, I want to get the details of all these 10 students into my laptop. I will develop one application. I will create a Java program. I will send this application to individual systems. If you submit the data won't come to my system because I developed by using a small Java program, right? So if I put the same application in a server, okay, and I'm creating one cloud or any other database, and I'm making a proper arrangements, and I will send that URL to you. Then if you enter your details there, automatically the data is going to come to my system. That is called as client server architecture. Got it?
Mhm. Thank you.
So for developing such type of applications, we need to go for distributed applications, web applications. Those things will comes under enterprise edition. But to enter into enterprise edition, core Java knowledge must be required. Any questions?
No.
Right. So what about Java enterprise edition? So in enterprise edition, Sir, very simple. We are going to call it as J2EE, Java to Standard Edition, where it is going to talk about advanced topics. Advanced topics. Advanced topics in the sense what servlets, JSP, Spring, a number of things. Okay. And technically it is called as advanced Java. Advanced Java. So where we can develop distributed and web applications. We can develop these kind of applications and with the client server. With the client server architecture. With the client server architecture. So what is a diagram for this? I will demonstrate. Let me give examples. Examples for this may be Gmail application, online ticket reservation, or even you can see this Zoom application. All these are nothing but what? Enterprise edition applications only. So if you want a diagram, sir, I developed one application in my mission, but my mission is connected across the network. I will send that URL to multiple systems. So now, because these are connected like this, if you deploy that in a server, you can send this request to multiple. If you have a URL, once if you open and if you submit the data will come to the server. And the server can send some information like communication is going to be happen. But where application is there? In my system. But from where you are accessing? From multiple systems. Have you observed? Gmail is located in Google server, which is there in some other country. But every person is using, including a small mobile. How it is connecting? So it is an enterprise application. It is a distributed application. It is communicating via network. This kind of facility, if you want, core Java is not good. We have to go for enterprise edition. But inside enterprise edition, the total code which you are writing in Java. So compulsory knowledge must be required. Clear? Is it making sense? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. And the last one, of course, which is not that much popular. So Java micro edition, which is not that much popular. So it is also called as J2ME micro edition. So which is used micro programming. Inside this, they are using micro programming and purely developed for mobile based applications. So which runs on mobile operating system, mobile OS. Best example for this, Java games. Almost some 10 years or 15 years back, Java games are very popular. Okay, but this is not suitable nowadays. Not suitable for developing. Not suitable in the sense there is no good market. It is not up to the mark, I can say. So it is not up to the mark now. That's why it is a completely failure version. That's why no one is going to study in detail about micro edition. Even Java people itself, they are not using this word. So they are updating only enterprise edition and then standard edition. So this is about different editions what we have in Java. Any questions?
It's just for our knowledge, but not for the certification or the interview
Yes,
questions.
yes.
Mhm. Thank you.
Hmm. Then with one more topic, I will conclude today's session. So Java versions, there are different versions are there. In my regular session, they are keep on asking the question, sir, can you please explain Java 1.5 features, Java 8 features, Java 9 features, Java 10 features like that. So why? Because Java is a popular programming language, including in addition to modern world, even though Python is ruling, but majority of the companies still they are depending on Java only because of some security reasons. Java is having multiple layers of security. So day by day, in every year, they are releasing two versions of Java. Okay. So in that, some versions are very popular. So some versions are not up to the mark. So the versions which are popular are having so many advanced concepts. So that's why Java versions is also very, very important. So main versions, around some 10 features I'm going to cover in our regular class, but maximum remaining versions I'm going to provide in the form of video. Okay, I will list out all the versions. The first version is Java 1.0. I told already, which is released in the month of January 1996. Second version, Java 1.1, then 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. After that, so Oracle company came and they hand over all these things. So Java 8 came, so Java 9, Java 10, okay, Java 11, Java 12, so 13, 14, so 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, Java 20 also came. So 21 also came. So 22 also came. Java 22 also came. So Java 20 came in the month of March 2023. So Java 21 came in the month of September 2023. Okay. So Java 22 came in the month of March 2024. Okay. So we can expect Java 23 also. I hope so. It is already released. Let me check. My network is a bit slow. Okay, no problem. So almost Java 23 also came. You can see. So Java 23 is the latest release of Java Standard Edition platform. So you can see Java 23 came. Okay. And Java 23 will receive updates under the terms until March 25. Then we are going to release Java 24 like that. So I don't know the exact date, maybe in the month of March only. Okay, anyway, not required for us. So when it came, September 2024, recently. Okay, this is nothing but what are the different versions of Javas are existed. Any questions? Any
No.
questions?
Would we learn some of the features from any of the Java, like Java
Yes,
8?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, madam. Java 1.5, we will start some 5 to, for not 5, 3 main features are there that I will explain. I told auto boxing, auto unboxing. Do you remember?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That concept came in 1.5 only. If you remember, I told we need to convert primitive to wrapper, correct?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We need to convert up to 1.4, but from 1.5 onwards, automatically it will convert.
Right.
Okay, like that. In Java 8, we have main features are there. In Java 10 also main features are there. In Java 15 also we have main features. These three I will cover definitely. Okay.
Thank you.
So what's the syllabus for this course?
Which one, sir?
For Java.
I already told right in the very beginning.
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah, okay. So the people who need syllabus, just I'm pasting on the chat window. If you want to, you can refer that.
So no streams,
Sir?
no streams, lambda
Ah,
expression.
yes, streams also will be covered on Java new features. I didn't mention separately, but in
Okay.
Java new features, I will cover. Just now I told, right? Main concepts I'm going to cover.
So this is fast track. How detailed will be this?
Weekends also will be there, sir. Be ready to attend on weekends, but every weekend I'm not going to take.
And
Maybe
my last,
alternatively. Sir?
do you accept PayPal?
Ah, yeah, sir. You can contact our admin team. They will accept all the cards and everything.
Okay, same timing, right?
Ah, same timing, sir. Remember, this class timings is not going to be changed. It is from 7 a.m. to 8 o'clock for first 1 or 2 weeks. After that, 7 to 8:15, 8:20, like that, it will be there because it is a fast track.
7 a.m. USA time or India time?
7 p.m., 7 p.m., 7 p.m. India.
India time. Okay, ours is.
Hmm. Any other question? Maximum today is the last demo. Okay. The people who are willing to continue, you can make the payments and we will continue from tomorrow. Tomorrow, I am going to explain Java programs, some sample programs we will cover and how the structure of Java program we will see. And Monday installation I am going to cover. From that, we will as usual speed up.
Hello, sir. Am I
Yeah,
audible
please.
actually?
Yeah, you are audible. You are audible.
Yeah, Abhishek here actually. So today is my first class, and
Okay.
actually I'm not aware of the actually syllabus and that the duration of the course actually.
Okay. I will give. So the syllabus I already shared in the chat window. The duration of
Yes.
the course is 45 days.
Okay.
And the timings is from 7 p.m. IST. Fees is
Okay.
5,000. If you want world class videos, that means whatever I told, just I will share the link. I think it is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is third class actually. So
Mhm.
if you need, I will share that playlist so that you can go through. 1 second. Yeah. So it is a playlist. There are 2 videos are there. This is the third demo. Just you can go through this. Okay.
Okay. And one more thing is that actually I'm not much aware of the features of the 1.8 onwards. So what are the version actually you are actually going to cover apart from till 1.6?
No. We will use latest version only in the entire classes. Okay.
Okay.
Wherever concept demands. For example, when I am talking about wrapper classes, I will show wrapper classes concept is introduced in this version. Before
Mhm.
the version, how the situation is. After that, how the situation. Both I will execute and I will show you. And coming to the new features, so I'm going to give maximum videos. Only 10 to 15 new features I'm going to demonstrate on the class, regular class.
So video means like it's already been there or what actually?
It is already recorded. It is a
Okay.
YouTube link, a permanent link, which is taken by myself only.
Okay. Okay. And I mean, all the features of Java 8 will be get covered, right?
Yes.
I
In
mean
that
that
main features,
Lambda and
yes,
functional
Lambda
interface.
expressions, yes, functional interface, stream API,
Yes,
everything I'm
yes.
going to take in the regular class, but easy features will be there, right? Small things. Those things I will provide video. In the videos, these features also will be there.
Okay,
Are you
okay.
getting?
Yes, yes, yes.
There are 50 videos, sir. I will share the 50 videos as it is. In
Okay,
that
okay.
main features, I will explain in the live class.
Okay, okay. And one more thing is that as per your, I mean, recommendation, like after completing of this course, like which particular certification we should go for? I mean, like if you
I
can
will
guide.
explain regarding certification. Yeah. So regarding certification, I will take one session there. I will explain. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, fine.
Any other questions?
I have one question, sir. Would we also have some sort of assignments or the like MCQs to do in our own time?
I told right for MCQs, we are going to plan for quizzes. I told already. On every weekend, some special time we will allocate for that. Whatever topics we covered, based on that, some quizzes will be there that you need to participate actively. And assignments and all I'm going to give. I already told I'm going to give logic building programs and advanced logic building programs. Maybe 1 or 2 questions I will demonstrate at very beginning how to solve. Then remaining things you can practice by your own. I will provide support if you are facing any issues. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for
Even
reminding.
after completion of course also, whenever you are solving any problem, If you are facing any difficulty, maximum try to solve by yourself. If you are not getting, just you can ping me. If possible, I will make a call and I will communicate with you. Otherwise, I will send a voice note.
Thank you.
Yeah, right, guys. Thank you. See you from tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.